Hey guys, so I wanted to come on real quick and do a review on this new 4-in-1 mini air conditioner I just got from Amazon. And you guys, this thing is absolutely cool. It's gonna be perfect for the summer and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So this is gonna be a 4-in-1 multifunctional mini unit. So it can be an air conditioner, an air purifier, an air humidifier, and just a nightlight if that's what you want. It can change 7 different colors. And so it's really nice to be able to have the ambiance as well as getting cooled while you're hot trying to sleep at night. So I want to show you guys how to make this an air conditioned unit and how to get started. As you guys saw, that was super easy to do. This thing is incredible. I love that it's portable, so you don't have to have it plugged in. You can take it from room to room. If you're at one side of the bed and you want it to still be facing you, you can move it that easy. So it's really nice that it has a nice little belt and easy to take around. It has a large water tank, so when you fill it and you want to use it, you have 4 to 8 hours of continuous cooling, which is really, really nice. And it has 3 different speeds, like I was saying. So you have the low, the medium, and the high. So again, you can customize it to however you want. And another thing that I love, you guys, is there's gonna be a waterless indicator. So as soon as it gets dry, there's gonna be an indicator where you're gonna see where it normally charges, the light right on the left. That's gonna tell you that it's ran out of water and you can refill it. I just wanna do another up close just so you guys can see. I love that you can move the vents to however you want. The color can change or you can leave it on continuous. That's gonna be the back, that's where you charge it. And look how nice and compact it is, you guys. It's incredibly lightweight, so like I said, taking it from room to room is no problem at all. If you guys learned something in this video, go get yourselves your own 4-in-1 air condition, humidifier, air purifier, and nightlight. This thing is incredible. It's perfect to keep for yourself and it's perfect for gifts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.